Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this super cool Captain America and Flash badges. You can also use it as fridge magnet. So let's get started. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So now we will make a big coil using blue, white and red color strips. And I am going to tell you the diameter after we add each color strip. So it will be easy for you to take the dimensions. Complete the blue part, and the diameter of the blue part is this. Now we will add the red strip. The total diameter after blue and red strip is this, and now we will add the white strip. After adding the white strip, the total diameter of the coil is this. Now I have added one more layer of red strip, and the total diameter of the coil is this. I have made a similar coil using yellow, white and red color strip. This is for Flash and the previous one for Captain America. Now we will need two templates, one for Thunder and one for Star. The links are given in the description. You can cut the templates and stick it on the badges as shown. So now we will take our magnets. So we will need total 2 magnets for one badge. Now we will stick it. Make sure you are sticking the magnet in the center. Follow the similar process to complete both the badges. Now we will take the rounder and a white pencil, and we will use a OHB sheet to make a circle on it. Now we will cut the circles. So now we'll stick the circles on the badges. Make sure you are applying glue on the edges only. Let them dry for some time. They will look like this after drying. So here you can see the extra edges. So we will cut it with scissors. So it will look like this after completing. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. Suppose the book is the shirt or a bag or whichever thing you want to use the badge on. So we will put the other magnet beside it. That's it. And if you have only one magnet, you can use it as a fridge magnet. So guys, here is the end of the video. If you like my ideas, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Give this video a like and share my videos. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.